guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is me, Keana. If you aren't new to my channel, then you know that I kind of do glow up videos every season and it's just a fun tradition. So it's fall now. That is why we are doing this. And honestly, I just haven't been feeling that cute lately. I've kind of been partying more than usual. Well, I just went to Vegas. Oh, if you saw my last video, I was prepping for a Vegas trip, which is so much fun.
Winning, it's 25.
Same.
I would too.
And I actually was about to vlog it, and I tried vlogging it, but it ended up not being enough footage because I was so in the moment and I just didn't feel like whipping out the camera at all times. So I'm sorry to scratch that video. But just lately I haven't been taking care of myself as much. Like, I used to be working out really frequently, eating healthy, drinking a lot of water, but I've just been kind of failing at that lately. And I feel like this is a good time for me to just do a glow up video. Can I get a tall iced coffee with 1 pump of the classic syrup and then the pumpkin cream on top?
And your name?
Keana. Yeah. Thank you. Cheers, y'all. Second step is hydrating. Now, I feel like I haven't been paying attention to my water needs that much lately, but just having this around, like having this on hand all day long is what keeps me remembering to drink water. So as I said in the beginning of this video, I have not been working out very consistently and I'm kind of mad at myself for that, but at the same time, we all get in these funks, I feel like, here and there. I did work out last night for the first time. I got a lift in. I'm extremely sore though. So for my little bit of activity, I'm gonna go for a walk right now. Okay folks, so feels really good to shave. It's been a while since I've shaved. Now I have to moisturize. Favorite moisturizer right now is the Curology one. It just has such a good formula. This is like my last one, so that's kind of sad. Today I'm making the effort to moisturize my body after my shower. So I'm going to be using, it's really nice, it's the First Aid Beauty one. I'll have this linked in the description if you want to buy it. I really like it. This one just lathers up so nicely. Okay, I might have put a little too much on. The next thing that I have to do is fix my hair because it looks really bad. I feel like my neighbors are just looking at me. Now that my hair is brushed out, I'm going to be taking my favorite dry shampoo. I wanted to recommend this to you guys because this stuff is cheap and it works really well, and I really love the smell. It's from Trader Joe's. They have dry shampoo, surprisingly, if you haven't seen it before. This is nice and it's perfect for traveling because it's so small. I'm not a big fan of using the cans that are pressurized. This product smells amazing. Now it is time to do the makeup portion. This is one of the most important parts of the glow up. Okay, last night I just went to Ulta and I purchased a tinted moisturizer because I kind of ran out of my favorite foundation, and I'm just not a big fan of using like my medium coverage foundation for daily wear. I mean, it's fine, but I just wanted to try something new. So I really hope that this is the right color for me. I did it on a whim. Okay, that looks like it's my right color. Got a fresh makeup brush. So I wanted a tinted moisturizer because I feel like it kind of lets your true beauty like shine through. I don't really like wearing super cakey foundation, honestly, because it makes me feel gross too. Like, especially with masks on, it just gets all over the mask and it's just not cute. So far so good. I feel like it matches Yeah, this one, I think this feels pretty good on my skin. I just wanted something that evened out my complexion a little bit. I feel like that looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is typical of me if I ever put on any type of eyeshadow. I'm gonna have to get a new one soon. This is like the tiniest one ever. We're gonna be using the Subculture palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one has some really pretty fall colors in here. They're a bit dramatic for my personal preference, but I feel like we can use some of the neutral shades. Gonna be taking this shadow. So I'm just gonna start by putting some of this in the crease. Now taking the shade Roxy. This is a really pretty peachy pink, but still like fall vibes in my opinion. And I'm just applying it to the outer half of my crease. Gonna take a little bit of this fudge color right here on this tiny brush, and I'm going to just dab it to the outer V. Do not be frightened because I'm gonna be fixing this. I just tried to do a little bit right now, but I took some concealer on my hand. I got this little liner brush right here, and I'm basically carving out the wing a little bit by just bringing it up here. I just need to clean up that area because I feel like eyeshadow just doesn't work unless I cut it like that. Yeah, I just do that. And then I'm gonna try to blend it in. I ended up touching it up off camera and fixing the wing a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and carry on and see what happens at the end, just because I don't really know how else to do this. I can't even tell if this looks okay, but I think we're gonna go with it, and if it looks bad, I'm gonna just take it off. But yeah, I'm not too great at this. Most important step is some brightening concealer under the eyes, and this is like my favorite step because I feel like it really transforms your face. Now I'm going to be contouring my face with my Tarte Sea Breezy Cream Bronzer, and this is my favorite thing ever. So this is the Tarte blush that I normally use in the summer. It's really vibrant, hot pink. This one's also vibrant, but this one's a little more like a rose versus a hot pink, so I'm going for this shade. For fall, I typically like to use more of like a warmer peachy type of pink. I'm gonna also brush out my eyebrows. I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows a little bit. Last step is going to be to set my face with the MAC Prep and Prime. I'm just going to finish up by doing the lower lashes with mascara. Last thing is the lip product, and I'm using the Morphe Backseat Love lip pencil. I've been loving to use this lately. I have another thing that I put on top, but this is more of like a pinky color. But the product that I've been really loving to use is the Bite Beauty lip crayon thing in Glace, if that's how you even say it. But this is a really good fall color. Here is the final fall makeup. I really like how it turned out actually. I was a little nervous about the eyes at first, but I think they pulled through. It's still not amazing, but I think it looks fine from afar, so we're gonna keep it. I highly recommend you guys try these lip products out because I feel like it's a really good combo. This one especially is good for fall. I don't think you really need to line your lips if you're gonna use this because this is pretty much like you just apply it and it's fine. This is also nice by itself, so I've been trying to experiment a little bit more with lip colors because I haven't really done that in the past, but if you guys have any lip product recommendations, I'll be happy to try some stuff out because I have not really tried many lip products out. Now that the makeup's done, I feel like we're a fall vibe right now, but it's time to pick out a fall outfit. I'm thinking like a leather skirt since it's still hot. So I picked out a few different things, just some fall colors. This is inside out, but this thing I've been really wanting to style. I'm not sure how. This top is super cute. I just got this from IMGA. This is like the perfect chocolatey mocha color. And maybe I could pair it with the pleather skirt that I have. I feel like this really isn't my vibe though, because where the heck would I wear this to? Okay, this is the first outfit option. Also, the skirt is a little too small for me now, so I'm probably not gonna ever wear it out, but for the sake of this video, I think it's cute and it kind of works. So option number one, simple, cute, I would wear white sneakers with it. Keep it casual and comfortable. So here it is with the IMG crop top. I don't think I like how this looks. It like just doesn't seem right for some reason. So here's this top with the baggy jeans from Zara. I just threw on some black cargo pants and I realized that I like this outfit the best. I feel like the jeans just didn't really look good with this top. I feel like I have other jeans that it might look better with, but these cargo pants, black and brown, really good combo for fall, and I don't know, I feel like it's just a cool outfit. So the last step of this glow up transformation is going to be doing my hair, and I realized that once I figured out this outfit, I don't think curling would look very good. So we're going to just straighten my hair, and then I'm going to put in some product and just make it look a little healthier and more shiny, because right now it doesn't look too great still. So this is the final product. I just finished my hair. I put a little bit of Moroccan oil in it to kind of revive it. Looks a lot healthier now. I feel like my hair has just been getting drier and drier these days. I really like the outfit, keeping it simple with the accessories. I like the makeup. I feel like it turned out good enough.